our lab interface here. You see we can select different objects up here, but we're going to keep it as a candle. If you really want to change it, you can though. And then we're going to start with the converging lens, which should already be selected with a focal length of 20, and we're going to leave that as is. Now we are going to adjust the height of the object to around 15. You're not going to be able to get 15 exactly, but something close to 15, so anything from 14 to 16 works. And then as you're going to see, you're going to be able to move this candle back and forth. That's your object, and this distance from the candle to the lens is known as the object distance. You'll see an image appears over here. This is the image because we can't move it at all, and the distance from the lens to the image is known as the image distance. And those two are recorded down here in this chart. You're also going to be looking at the object height and the image height. Okay, so as you'll see, there's a bunch of different object distances that you want to move the candle to. So you'll start with the first one, which should be 60 centimeters. So you move that candle to the 60 centimeter mark. That one you should be able to get exactly. And then you'll record this information about the image distance, the image height, etc. And then you'll move on to the additional distances. That's going to be for the first part. For the second part, you're going to change to a diverging lens. That's not going to change anything about the height. We're going to leave the focal length as 20 centimeters. It's just a diverging lens now, and we're going to repeat a lot of the those distances and see what the patterns look like for both converging and for diverging.